Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video I show you in a very simple example how to use Chat-GPT to learn coding, to learn programming, to increase your productivity, to increase the speed of writing codes. Chat-GPT can help you with everything, and we are using for coding and programming. For example, you want a model in your website, so type here create model JS. Voila, create JS model. And now let us test this AI generated model. AI model. Here index dot html. AI generated model with Chat-GPT. So I only copy the content of body, Control C, Control V, and then the content of CSS inside the style. So this is the CSS, just copy, and voila. We are not going to use a file, we put that directly inside this. Control V. Let us try it out. Open model. This is model title. This is the model content. Just change in this AI generated model with chat GPT and here we say chat GPT can help you with coding. It generates reusable codes that you can just copy paste. Let us refresh it. Voila, AI generated model with chat GPT. And then here you have a small X for closing the model. It also gives some information. Now when you click the open model button, the model will appear, and when you click the close button, the X in the top right corner, the model will disappear.